All right, so for Screenflow, we're going to go to the preferences, which is just Screenflow preferences. You can use keyboard shortcut too, whatever's fine. Basically, if you happen to be using it to recording screencasts or anything, it's whatever settings you care about the most. I think the only one that I really care about is computer audio. So you install this driver. I can't do it while recording, so I can't do that right now. Basically, this driver allows you to record your computer audio as well as your other stuff. It only matters if that's something you care about. Usually, like if you're playing a game or doing stuff like that and you wanted to record that, this would be useful. I don't tend to do things where I actually want audio from my computer. In fact, I usually want the opposite. I don't want audio from my computer because maybe I'll have headphones with music on while I'm talking, just sort of something in the background. So that's not going to work here. Files, batch import. Or export, sorry. I also create some custom stuff here. So basically you can go to manage the settings. Sorry, manage is what I want. You can come in here and you can choose the ones you want to keep around, whatever you want. Whatever makes sense. I think I basically clone web high and then maybe tweak a couple things every once in a while. But you can see here that I've got just these settings. This isn't how I tend to export, like whenever I release stuff. What I'll generally tend to do is I'll export once with Screenflow. And, something like this is a reasonably good starting point. And then after I get all my Screenflow ones, I will use FFmpeg, which you'll see here. I'll use something like this in order to get some sort of, smaller file size. So I don't even think I have it. No, I don't have it installed. So at some point I'll have to get that installed, but that's what you're seeing here is, this is how I encode stuff. And this right here is actually set up so I could do something like, so I'd do something like encode vid.mp4, and then I'd do like out.mp4 or something like that. So that's how I would use that encode function. So I don't need to change anything here, and those first two settings are there. I also have some templates, which I don't know if I can show you that right now, or open, nope. So I have a template. Basically, one of the things I'll do before I go record is I will create one template, and I will basically set placeholders for my screen, for my webcam. I will crop my webcam in that template placeholder. I will extract the audio from it, and I'll have it normalize the audio. And then whenever you go to record with Screenflow, which I can't show you here, but basically if you go to configure recording, you can then choose to start from a template. And then you can basically, everything else is going to be normal settings. You can choose whether you want your whole screen or part of a screen. But I use that so that after I finish a video, it automatically does a couple different things for me. So I don't have to do that every single time. It just makes the editing step a little bit simpler since I don't have to go do the same things over and over on every video. But yeah, that's all I can show you right now. So hopefully that helps a little bit for anybody who's looking to use Screenflow for recording.